Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here at the InterContinental in Warsaw on the 41st floor, the Club Lounge, and we're here because, of course, talking about real estate. And of course, our CEE Investment Awards coming up at this hotel October 26th. So if you haven't signed up yet, now's the time to do it. We were talking to Agnieszka a little bit earlier from Galactica Nieruchomości, launching our new category, which is Rising Stars. So professionals under 35, we're showing some recognition to them. So if you have a great person in your company that you would like to recognize, let us know. We're here with Winston Norman. Winston, weekend ready? I saw you brought your motorcycle, so nice day to ride it.
Yeah, very nice day to ride it.
Last night was a little bit rainy, but today seems fine.
I wasn't riding it last night. I was in bed.
Yeah, right. All right.
Safely tucked up in bed last night.
Excellent. Well, tell us the headlines for the day.
Okay, so the headlines for today is NREP acquires a majority stake in Polish logistics developer 7R. Macari has raised 260 million euros for a European logistics real estate fund. Accor has launched a new boutique hotel brand in Poland. And Rock Holding is to invest 70 million euros in Brasov in Romania.
Wow, so a lot of action going on in the middle of summer here. But great to hear the CEE and SEE regions doing great. We'll take a little break. We'll come right back with the full news from Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th Annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and Winston, let us know what's going on the news.
Sure, Craig. So, yeah, NREP has agreed to acquire an 80% stake in 7R, one of Poland's largest logistics developers. They're investing around 200 million euros in the company, and the platform will continue to operate under the 7R brand. And according to NREP CEO Runkok, he says the acquisition provides a unique opportunity to apply our decarbonisation focus on a large portfolio and scale our efforts to bring down CO2 emissions, as well as gain access to a significant pipeline in a market which has seen continued tenant demand and reduce supply. And following up with that, Thomas Lubowiecki from 7R says, this new capital investment in 7R will allow the business to continue its sustainable growth, develop in new markets, and focus on the long-term tenant relationships, all of which are beneficial to our business lines.
Oh, so a lot of action there.
Yeah. It's the logistics and warehouses still proving to be one of the more lucrative and better developing market sectors at the moment. And staying in that sector, Macari Asset Management has announced the final close of the Macari European Logistics Real Estate Fund with around 260 million in investment commitments. And the fund has received commitments from a diverse range of investors, including pension funds and insurance companies. And it's been successfully deployed across a portfolio of 10 European properties, including facilities in the Netherlands, Denmark, Poland, and Norway. And according to Christian Goebel, it's a co-head of Macari, reinforced by our expertise in the sector and extensive market research, this milestone reflects the confidence we have in the ongoing growth of the logistics sector in Europe. With long-term structural tailwinds, we see attractive opportunities emerging within the market and would like to thank our new and existing investors for their support. So continued support for the logistics and sector there. Moving to the hotel sector in Poland, and Accor has inaugurated the Crown, a 4-star hotel in Krakow, which is part of the Handwritten Collection, which is a portfolio of boutique hotels from around the world. This is Accor's second property in the region and the first in Poland. And the hotel will address both leisure and business tourists. And according to Patricia Maciejaszczyk, brand manager at Accor, the idea that inspired us for this amazing hotel was to capture the old spirit of true Polish hospitality and the history that is associated with this 100-year-old building and Krakow itself. And finally for today, also in the hotel sector, Romanian real estate company Rock Development Holding will invest around 70 million euros in a 5-star luxury hotel in Brasov. And this new hotel will comprise of 120 rooms, an apartment hotel with 75 residential units. And according to the CEO, Mircea Cotiga, the investment is significant, being a large project with almost 200 units at international standards, and we want the entire complex to be managed by a world-class hotel operator.
Well, it sounds like the luxury hotel business is going well.
It's good to see it picking up again
Good
after
to
some
s-
difficult
Good,
times.
good to see the rich are still okay and no problems there, and staying in luxury, and more luxury hotels are being built. So great to see that, and also Mercari investing in logistics in Poland. So
Yep, heavily.
yeah. So I remember at the beginning of the year it was a little bit quiet on the investment side, and here we go, another 200 million investment. So thank you all for watching today's Coffee with Craig show. We're here, like I said, at the InterContinental Hotel. We always love their hospitality and, of course, all of their professionalism in delivering our events, food, drinks, service, always great. So we'll see you here at the CEE Investment Awards, October 26th in Warsaw, and our CRE Awards, also at the InterContinental in Budapest the week before on October 19th. So enjoy the weekend, stay safe, and we will see you Monday with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.